The science of memory, unlocking your potential. Memory is not just a passive storage system. It is an active, dynamic process that shapes our very existence. Memory is a powerful tool. It shapes who we are, what we know, and what we can achieve. Every experience, every piece of knowledge, and every skill we acquire is stored in our memory, waiting to be accessed and utilized. By understanding how memory works, we can unlock our potential. This understanding allows us to harness the full power of our brains, enabling us to learn more efficiently and effectively. We can learn faster. We can remember more. We can achieve our goals. Imagine being able to recall information effortlessly, to learn new skills with ease, and to achieve milestones that once seemed out of reach. This is the science of memory. Our brains are incredible. They are capable of storing vast amounts of information, organizing it in complex ways, and retrieving it when needed. They store vast amounts of information. This information is organized and connected. The brain's ability to create and strengthen these connections is what makes learning and memory so powerful. When we learn something new, we create new connections. These connections are strengthened through repetition and association. The more we practice, the stronger these connections become, making it easier to recall information and perform tasks. Think of your memory as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, mental exercises strengthen your memory. By practicing memory techniques, you can improve your ability to remember. Techniques such as mnemonics, visualization, and association can enhance your memory and make learning more effective. This applies to all areas of life, from personal growth to business success. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to improve their personal life, a strong memory can be a valuable asset. Unlocking your memory potential is a journey. It requires effort and practice. Consistent practice and dedication are key to developing a strong memory, but the rewards are immense. A strong memory empowers you to learn, grow, and succeed. It opens up new opportunities and allows you to achieve your full potential. So start your journey today and unlock the incredible power of your memory. Repetition is key to learning. When we repeat information, we strengthen the neural connections in our brains. This makes the information easier to recall. Think about learning a new language. You repeat words and phrases over and over. Our conscious mind thrives on repetition. It helps us move information from short-term memory to long-term memory. This is essential for studying, learning new skills, and achieving our goals. The more we repeat something, the more ingrained it becomes. This is why flashcards, practice quizzes, and regular review are effective learning tools. They leverage the power of repetition. Repetition may seem tedious, but it is the foundation of a strong memory. Embrace it as a vital step in the learning process. Association is another powerful memory technique. It involves linking new information to something we already know. This creates a mental hook that makes the new information easier to retrieve. Our brains are wired to make connections. When we associate new information with existing knowledge, we create a stronger memory trace. This is why mnemonics are so effective. They use vivid imagery and associations to make information memorable. Think about learning the names of the planets. You might associate each planet with a characteristic or image. For example, Mars is red, Jupiter is the largest, and Venus is named after the goddess of beauty. Association makes learning more engaging and effective. It transforms abstract information into something more concrete and memorable. Section 4. Napoleon Hill's Golden Rules for Memory Mastery. Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich, emphasized the importance of a strong memory for success. He believed that memory is a fundamental pillar for achieving one's goals and aspirations. Hill's insights into memory mastery are timeless and continue to inspire individuals to this day. He outlined golden rules for memory development. which serve as a guide for anyone looking to enhance their cognitive abilities. These rules are not just theoretical but practical steps that can be integrated into daily life. These rules highlight the power of focus, repetition, and association. Focus allows us to direct our mental energy towards the task at hand, making it easier to absorb and retain information. Repetition reinforces what we have learned, embedding it deeper into our memory. Hill believed that a clear goal is crucial for memory. When we set specific, well-defined goals, our brain understands the importance of the information related to those goals and prioritizes it. When we have a definite purpose for remembering something, our brains are more likely to retain it. This purpose acts as a signal to our brain, indicating that the information is valuable and worth storing. This focus enhances our attention and motivation to learn. When we are motivated, we are more engaged and willing to put in the effort required to memorize new information. He also stressed the importance of a burning desire to remember. This desire is the driving force that keeps us committed to the process of learning and memory enhancement. When we are passionate about something, our brains become more receptive to new information. Passion ignites curiosity, making the learning process enjoyable and more effective. This desire fuels the effort required for memorization. Consistent practice and dedication are key components in transforming short-term memories into long-term knowledge. Hill's golden rules remind us that memory is not just about techniques, it's also about mindset. A positive and proactive mindset can significantly enhance our ability to remember and recall information. A positive attitude, a clear goal, and a burning desire are essential ingredients for memory mastery. By adopting these principles, we can unlock the full potential of our memory and achieve greater success in all areas of life. Section 5. Places and tasks, anchors for your memories. We can use places and tasks as anchors for our memories. This technique is known as the method of loci, or the memory palace technique. This involves associating information with specific locations or activities. By doing so, we create a mental map that helps us recall information more effectively. Think about your childhood home. Each room likely holds a treasure trove of memories. You likely have vivid memories associated with different rooms. The kitchen might remind you of family dinners, while the living room brings back memories of holidays and gatherings. This association happens naturally, but we can also use it intentionally. By consciously linking information to specific places, we can enhance our memory retention. Imagine you're trying to remember a presentation. Each key point can be linked to a different room or area in your house. You could mentally associate each point with a different room in your house. For example, the introduction could be linked to the front door, while the conclusion could be associated with the backyard. Tasks can also serve as memory anchors. Everyday activities can be powerful tools for memory enhancement. Link information to a specific activity, like driving to work or cooking dinner. For instance, you could review key points of a meeting while commuting, or recall a recipe while preparing a meal. For example, you could rehearse a presentation while you walk. The rhythm of walking can help reinforce the information in your mind. By using places and tasks as memory anchors, we create a mental map of information. This map acts as a guide, helping us navigate through our memories with ease. This makes it easier to recall specific details when needed. Whether it's for a presentation, an exam, or daily tasks, memory anchors can significantly improve our ability to remember and retrieve information. Section 6. People as memory triggers, faces, and names. Remembering people's names can be challenging. However, we can use association to improve our ability to recall faces and names. Focus on a distinctive feature of the person's face. Associate that feature with their name. For example, if someone has bright blue eyes and their name is Sarah, you might picture the ocean, blue, and a sailboat, Sarah. Engage in conversation and repeat their name naturally. This reinforces the connection in your mind. Ask them questions and listen attentively. This shows you're interested and helps solidify the memory. Remembering names is a skill that takes practice. By using association and focusing on connection, you can become more adept at remembering the people you meet.